Hello, I'm back for the final time for Human Resource Machine, maybe, but I'm really not sure um, if we're gonna optimize everything. Like, we're definitely finishing the sorting floor, right? Sure, I got a new job. I like in real life, so everything's going great so far. Maybe, definitely finishing it today, right? Perfect. And yeah, maybe optimizing the rest. I think I should have maybe labeled this last time. But I'm pretty sure I remember what I had to do to make it work. Let's just see what's wrong. Because there was something wrong. What did that do again? Nothing, I think. Yes. Totally forgot what everything did. Okay, so copy from. So that does something about output. Alright. Um, this. If negative. Then it's correct. So big, right was big, yeah. So if it's negative, then it's correct. No. No, if it's negative, it's wrong, so it has to be... What? Wait. Yes. Wait, did we ever use f-length again? I don't think so. Okay, so this outputs it. So wait. So we only reset Bigly, Mr. Big Boy. Inbox, copy to big, 0, skip, yes. Wait, when do we... What? Right, should be okay. Sure. Inbox copy to big. Wait, what is this? Where? What? So we copy it. Oh, copy to. Oh, okay. Some reason. Okay, so the problem is, only do this. Should we just do it again? What's the worst that could happen if we do everything again, right? What's the challenge? 34. Pretty sure we could do it in less, right? I mean, it's almost perfect, right? I know the joke is that you can't understand the code you wrote a month ago, a week ago, but I made this like 2 days ago, 3 days ago, and I already don't understand what's going on. So this just resets everything, so I don't need to bother about that. And that copy is too big, and if 0, it doesn't bump the big up. Yes. Yes. Okay. So all of this just repeats until it's done. Yes, and this why does it bump down big? It shouldn't bump big down. And why what does it copy to SM? Okay. Think I need to redo the actual sorting because that's like the big thing. I have no idea what's going on anymore. Oh wait. That's fine. That's fine for the moment. That just swaps two numbers. Okay, and this is 0 count, so this just counts up, I think. Yeah. Smallest first, right? Smallest first, biggest last. So, we don't do this. So we copy from big boy first. This is the sorting now. Oh, I guess we copy from big boy and subtract the smaller one. Wait, how did we... Just need to check how we actually got... Oh, okay. What? Doesn't make any sense. Whatever. Alright, I can't redo. Damn it. Okay. So it has to be here, actually. So... Copy from big and copy to small and bump small down once. Okay. So now we have this, I guess. And now we copy from big and sub small And if this is negative, then it's wrong. So we skip the jump. And otherwise, we do this. And then do this. So if it's negative, it's wrong, so it swaps these two numbers. And otherwise, we jump and we bump big down and jump back to here. And if this is negative, then we should have done it. No. This is 0, we should have done it, yes. So we do this. Now we're 33, which makes me think I did something wrong, but I don't think I did. But let's just see. And I don't think I need I do need the 0 count. I do need the temp. I think I used everything. Whatever. Let's see. Yeah. So it's 0. So it copies from big and bumps this down. That's not correct. But why isn't it correct? Inbox, copy to big, and bump. Alright. Yes. Well, whatever. We just change this to... just do this, and then you don't need this. This come from... Okay, for some reason that still makes sense. Even though I forgot again why we can just do this. But yeah, it does make sense. Oh. Can also do this for some reason. Interesting. Okay, no, I get it. I do get it. We need to do this here, and we need to do this like this. Because otherwise the jumps will get messed up. And we don't want messed up jumps. Because that's how you hurt your ankle. And your programming. So how do we not include a 0 into everything? I guess this works, right? Sure. Wait. Sub 0. Okay. We're not going for efficiency for now, right? Okay, so it's not negative, so it's correct. And then we do this, and then we do this, and this. Okay, so the thing is, if it jumps back to here, if it's correct, it can do this. But if it's not correct, then we what? Alright, then we copy from but we actually do this here. So if something's not correct, then we copy to big and copy from, yes. Okay. The SM should still be correct at this point because we never bumped down big actually. So wait, we did never bump down big in this scenario. So there's actually no reason to... wait, where it is? There's no reason for this. This is if it's correct, yes. You do this again. Alright, but okay, so yeah. Should work now, right? It's correct. It's not correct, so it swaps. And because it swaps, it resets. Which is also not correct. Copy too big. And yeah, also do this. Okay. No, wait. If this is negative, yes. If it's 0, it's perfect. No. Okay. So we don't need this here. But we do need the other one. How do we? Yes, sure. Okay. Why? Okay. Alright, that's why. Yeah. Okay, but we still can just do this and then do negative instead. No. No. Right, so now it's this. This is f length. So we just need bump down f length, and if it's negative. That also doesn't work. Right, if it's negative, you do this. And if it's 0, you also do this. And if it's 0, you also do this. Sure, why not? Fun, 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 fun. It's Friday. It's actually Thursday, but whatever. Copy from F length. Copy too big. So wait, yes, yeah. If I put that out, then when 0 count reaches 3, for example, if there's a 0. So I copy this to big, and then I go back to here, but I don't. Yes. Where does this come from? Bump big down, sure. Did I break it? I think it worked before. I think I broke it now. Wait, what? It works. It just bloody works. Would you believe it? Oh no, that's a very long string of numbers. Oh, this will take literally minutes. But also literally seconds. But you know what? At least it works, and I'm pretty sure we're way under 34, right? I didn't actually check in the end. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm pretty sure we'll hit that 4 times over. 4 times over speed requirement achievement. Hey, wait, what's actually going to happen? Oh, fuck. Oh, no. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Mamma mia, mamma mia. Mamma mia, let me go. The boop. For me. For me. For me. Wait, why the hell is this here? This can go here, and this can go here. And this can also go here, and then we don't actually need this, because we will never reach this. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Why is there no super speed? Why is there no ludicrous speed? Awaken my masters. Jesus. Can I get sued by Benny Hill for playing the Benny Hill theme? Because for some reason I feel like it's the most fitting theme. I'm pretty sure... no. Was it Benny Hill? I think Happy Birthday got... someone got sued on Twitch for playing Happy Birthday, but then everyone discovered that that's pretty stupid. So you can't get sued for playing Happy Birthday anymore. But maybe for playing Benny Hill? Also, if I actually want to put this on YouTube, like I do every time, then I probably shouldn't play Benny Hill in the middle of a stream. I don't know, does it get muted before I upload it to YouTube, or... and more importantly, does YouTube and Twitch even have the same... you know... actually have the same copyright guidelines for recorded videos? Because you can play any music you want on the stream, because no one can do anything about it. Because once you played it, it's gone forever. Unless you... I don't know, are clips muted? We're almost done. Interesting discussion, but yeah, interesting discussion with myself there. Oh! Was that a nice sound? Probably not, right? We did it. And Jesus. Jesus. uh, so actually, we only quote only just make a just make a sorting algorithm that's doubly as efficient for head, I guess. Sorting algorithms. Binary sort. We aren't doing a binary sort. Bubble sort. I'm pretty sure we're doing a bubble sort, right? Yes. Wait. Are we doing bubble sort? Oh wait, I know exactly what we're doing wrong. I just need to do it right. You know? Just do it right, forehead. But first... Oh. But first, let's look at... Nice. How many do we still have left? Okay. Optimization, yes. Ask all the bosses to tell you more. Sure. We can do that easily. 4 times the number of steps required. That's easy. 4 times the number of commands required. That's also easy, I think. Right. I mean, we can just do that here, right? Hey, tell me more. Very interesting. 6 commands, 6 steps. So, why don't we just... So we can't... this? Yes. So we can just do this. Do this. No. Wait, 4 times? 4 times. So... Oh no. We're also correct, but... 3. So we actually want 12. And one more, and I think that should do both, right? We did that. Okay. So we actually need a bit more. Hello there again. Okay, 10 more. That should definitely do it. Ba-da-da-ba. Queen of inefficiency. Actually surprised we didn't do it with that sorting algorithm, because now that I think about it, that was pretty stupid. Okay. Perfect. Let's just do this so it at least saves. Whatever. Bum, bum. So we have to ask all the bosses to tell us more. Why not? Let's just go through that. I know I know I could read it, but it's really not that interesting, right? Or is it? I don't know. Maybe some of these have the best writing in gaming history. And now I'm missing out on everything. But do I actually care? When did I actually start asking every time? Because at some point we ask every time, right? I think I just did something 3 times. Absolute positivity. Yes. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Still need to optimize that. Damn it. Riveting gameplay, right? I mean, this game is already riveting, but going through every level I already cleared just to find the last thing I need to ask. It's like the best. Oh, I got it. Perfect. So, do we want to do that after we optimized everything? How many do we have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Let's just end program. Congratulations!
Congratulations. You've really become an invaluable instruction follower.
Yes, don't worry. Your job is safe. We've replaced you with this electric box.
It's called a computer. It iterates through a list of simple instructions called a program.
It has a small amount of memory to store data while processing, like tiles on the floor.
It has inputs.
And outputs.
Its simple instructions can be used together in infinite combinations to compute just about anything you can imagine.
A truly efficient worker that never sleeps.
It's going to change everything.
Please take your things and enjoy whatever it is you people do out there. Congratulations.
But, wait. Do we jump out of the tower? Do we... Oh. Oh. For some reason what the... That's not safe. that well, those were gun parts. Or I guess JPEGs of gun parts. I'm finally free. But I actually have to go back. Bum 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 badum badum bum 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 badum badum. Ellen Bloom, Chris, Kyle Gabler, and Kyle Gray starring Alice, Betty, and Carol. Also the boss man and the boss lady. Translated by a lot of people. Yes, that's Russian. There's also Linux port and special thanks. And thanks for playing. And that's still a weak clap. and this definitely didn't sync up with the actual song. Career milestone 6. Yes, thrilling sequel. Tomorrow, don't worry about it. Definitely tomorrow. Actually, since I finally have a free weekend, so I can stream Friday evening without worrying about anything, I guess. Guess I still need to worry about one thing, which you people, whoever is watching, don't have to care about. But anyway, let's just optimize the blue path for that. That should be easy. Robot arm. For each number in the inbox, send that number to the outbox. I'll put all the numbers down to or up to 0. Okay, we are way over the minimum number of steps for some reason. Wait. Outbox, copy from... wait. Okay, wait. This seems very weird, what I made here, now looking back at it. But I guess that's the case with literally every program. Yes, moving my mouse wheel really fast is really, really the best way to solve problems. Inbox, copy to 0. But actually, if the inbox is 0, you can just outbox you can just outbox and jump back to the start. No, not that. If it's 0, outbox and jump back to the start. Yes. So now inbox, no, inbox. If 0, outbox, back to the start. But if not, if it's not 0, you copy to 0 and then outbox, then copy from 0 again. And if it's negative, you bump it up, and if it's not negative, you bump it down. And both times you jump to here. We still need an if0. So if0 should be in here, but copy to 0 should be here, and that's not good. Maybe. How is that not efficient? Tell me game, how is that not efficient? Incredibly efficient, I would say. It's even worse for some reason. What? Oh, that wasn't very interesting. Oh. Wait a second. Okay. So we literally don't have to care about commands. So why am I doing this? Why do I care? Inbox. If it's 0, then just outbox. Forehead and go back to inbox. And if it's not 0, then we copy to 0 and outbox. Then this seems weird. Seems weird, man. Then we copy to 0 again and jump back. Sure. Alright, actually, if that is 0, you outbox, and if this is 0, you outbox. Yes. No. If this is 0, you outbox, and if this is 0, you outbox. I don't see any unnecessary steps. The program is very long, but we don't care about that for now. And I know that some programs can't be both time and command efficient. Yeah, makes sense. Some are still even worse than the first one. But how? But why? Why is it even worse than the first one? I know it jumps around a lot, even... Oh, we can just... Yeah. We can just bump down, copy to 0, outbox, copy to 0. And just repeat that. So this goes to here instead. And if it's negative, we bump up. Copy to 0. And outbox. Copy to 0 and outbox. Wait, am I actually that stupid? We don't need to. We don't need that, and we don't need that. We don't need that at all. So wait, inbox, copy to 0, obviously. But otherwise, we just outbox and jump back. Yes. This is if 0, and this is also if 0, your outbox. And I have no idea what this jump does. I don't think we need it anymore. That's a negative jump, yes. If not, we do this over and over again. Over and over again. Don't need this. If it's 0, if that is 0, and if that is 0, yes. Oh. We also need to do this. Yes, yes. I don't know. This can't be how this cannot this cannot be more efficient, right? Exactly. God damn it. 3 steps. I feel like it's these 3 steps, right? Inbox, copy to 0. Ooh. No. Hmm. If 0, you just do this. If negative, you... If it's not negative, you always copy to... if it's not 0, you always copy to 0. And if it's negative, you do this again. And if it's positive, you do this over again. So we only copy if we have to. We only repeat if we have to. This should be it, right? Yeah! Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. We did it. We optimized up to 19. Almost my age. So let's optimize my age somehow. Multiplication. Alright. Oh, the Bob Ross painting didn't do anything, right? Yeah, I just want to relax, or... You know that Fusha told me that that I can draw animals or something, so now it doesn't make any sense anymore. For each two things in the inbox, multiply them and outbox. Very interesting. So wait, how did 176? So first of all, inbox, if 0, you just outbox. Wait, actually inbox if 0, so if the first one is 0, you copy it to there, I guess, and then you inbox again, and then you copy from cat again, and you just outbox. No, wait. You just outbox, and then you just inbox, and then you just go back to the inbox. We're definitely doing one step too many here. I can see that. And if the second one is 0, you also just outbox. You just outbox, yes. No, if it's 0, not if it's nothing. Guess it's not that much more efficient since not everything can be 0. Sadly. But everyone can be 0 if you put on the mask. Yes, it's still my best for some reason. Okay. So this does what it does. So we copy that to snake. And also to elephant. So we don't actually need this. Don't actually need the 9. I was right the first time. And then you bump down the cat, and actually if it's 0, you copy from the outbox. There's this. Yeah, this should actually already help a lot. Who cares? Almost. And then we this basically already checks if the first one is 1. And we can't really check if the second one is 1, because if it is, then the check would be way too long to check for every other number. So that wouldn't be efficient. So you copy from the elephant and then you add the snake. Actually, if it's negative, no. No. Copy from elephant, add the snake, and copy to elephant. How do we make this part more efficient? I feel like I can do something here. Because we already have the elephant in our hands if we're here. The final elephant. I guess if we could check if the cat was 1, then we could this wouldn't save anything because if anything, yeah, if anything, it would just save this one step every time, but the steps to get there would be longer, so it wouldn't matter, right? Bruh. 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 I don't know what is in chat. Why am I so tired again? God damn. But I could really need some tips. Some hot tips. Bum, 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 bum. Wait. So this is... So it's 5 every time. And we're 12 over. Does this mean anything? I feel like it has to be something we're doing twice. 2 steps we do every time. Just about. 2 steps we do every time except when we do this. Um... Let's look at it later. And how do we? Zero terminated sum. I think that's the same, right? $20. Yes. Oh, zero terminated strings. Okay. So copy from 5 and copy to 0. That makes sense. Why we would do that every time, I think. And then we inbox, and if it's 0, we copy from 0 and outbox. And then we add 0. Mecha Packer marked by 0. Wait, are there strings? Yeah. So there are strings which only contain 0. Wait, if 0, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, this doesn't do anything. Thought it would help if I checked if this is 0. Then we do go to a different outbox and skip this one. I mean, I guess it does help a little. So yeah, if this is 0, then we outbox and then we jump to here instead. Okay, so this, okay. So even if the first one was an actual 0, a string containing 0, then it would still work. Yeah, here. 32. So now, still exactly 20, was it? Like, it's still exactly 20. Okay, so this literally doesn't do anything. Right, actually, can't I just do... Do I really need this? Like... First time it can be inbox copy to 0. Expected 0, but the outbox was... Okay, so it does work. Sounds good, doesn't work. Yes, inbox, it's 0. We copy from there. Stop. That's correct. And then it's 0, and you copy to 0. Add your inbox, and you copy from 0. And your outbox. And then your inbox. And copy to that. And then... Wait, why does it give 20? But why? It should... What? Okay, so that's 0, that's, yeah. This makes sense, okay. Then you put 0, that's also correct. So wait, 9 minus 3 is 6. Plus 8 is 14. Wait, why are you expecting 0? What? I don't understand. Why does the last one not work? I don't get it. 7, 14 minus 9 is 5, plus 8 is something, 13 minus 3 is 10, plus 1 is 11. But it's 11. What? I really don't understand. Add together all. Yeah. What? If your box is 5, 6, 0, 0, 1, 0. Oh, so this is a 0 terminated string, and this is also... Oh, now I get it. I get it. I get it. So if it's 0, you copy from 0. And if that is 0, then you outbox. But actually also... I guess if the result would actually be 0. No wait, that doesn't actually matter. If it's 0, you just outbox and then you inbox again. And if that is 0, you again outbox. And if it's at some point not 0 anymore, you add it to 0. Yes. Solution works. This is yes. Here I give you some inbox that causes you. Yes, please. Show me how it fails. Eve Cleave, it's me. Let me into your window. Eve Cleave, it's me. Wait, I thought I checked for that. Thought that was exactly what my check was for. So why doesn't it check out now? Put it in, you copy from there, it's not 0, and you outbox. And then you go to the start again. And you inbox. And actually, if the first inbox is 0, and you should also go to here. But why? But why? Did I do a wrong jump? Did I not check every edged case? Like a boy. Like a good boy. So it's 0 again. So you outbox. And then you inbox again. And then you jump to here. What? No, you jump to here. What an idiot. So this should do something, I think. Like getting on my nerves a lot. No, wait. Yes, 0 terminating sum, very nice. So you inbox, and if it's 0, you just go to here. Cool, very cool. That's not redundant. And then you copy it to 0, because you have to. And then you inbox. Oh. If this is 0, it has to repeat. Let's see if this works. If it does, then cool. It doesn't. Let me into your window. Heathcliff, it's me. Yes, you do output here. And then you inbox. And you copy it to here. No, you don't do that. Because you check again if it's 0, and then you outbox again. And if the 0 is inbox again, if the inbox is 0 again, then you output again. Yes, very good. And if it's ever not 0, you copy it to there. Hey, wait a second. This should work, right? What? I think we didn't do it again, right? Because now it... Yes. Now it does a little sidestep again. Um, yeah, okay. um, wait, what? This actually shouldn't... I mean, I'm glad it worked, but this should actually not work with specific inputs. I think... Right. If this is 0... Of course it works. I mean, I don't get how we made it this well, but whatever. I think with Fibonacci we were actually like 1 or 2 below. No, we were 1 command too much. We did 1 command too many. I feel like we don't need this here, right? Copy to there. Yes, we do need both of these. Up to but not exceeding. So what should actually happen if... So now it's 0. Wait. Hey, wait a second. Did it just not matter if it's 0? What? It's not negative. It is 0. So wait. Wait, what? What? Can we really not output it here? Some other way? Hmm. Alright, switch, ratio, bump, something, nails, yes, also very important. I don't know what the run bunny was. I remember everything but the bunny because this was a steel ball run, I guess. I say I guess a lot. Oh, we can't have multiple programs running at the same time. Howdy partner, my name is Scott Johnson, and today I will do some Fibonacci numbering, and it's gonna be great because if it's 0, you also do it again for some reason. Oh, yes. 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 I think I'm doing no, that doesn't work. I was thinking about doing something stupid right now, but that would have been very stupid. I think. Yes. Oh, that's right, I heard the story over and over again. So what if we don't actually do this, but instead copy from here to there, and then to there, and then we bump this up and outbox it, and then we don't need this, and then we don't need this, I think. So now we have one in the outbox, then we copy from there, and copy from there, copy to there, and then we add that. So wait a second. Are you telling me? Are you telling me this works? So now we have one. Now we also outbox one. Then we. That can't be right. Empty value, can't copy. Oh no. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, so 0 doesn't matter at this point. So we can in fact copy from here again. Only if it's still negative. We don't. If it's 0, then we copy from there. No. Yes. Yes. No. It's not. It's actually not how it works. So now we copy from here and outbox it, yes. Then we also copy from here and copy it from here. That's the switch. And then we add 0. So now wait, this should actually be beans. If we can do it somehow with only moving these around, then it should work. That's a very big statement, but I think I can do it. Because we only need to bump these this one up. One up. So we copy from here. We copy to there, yes, and then we add that. And then we copy from here. add this, and then we copy to there. Then we sub this, and if this is negative, we do it again. No. Don't do this here. Do it here. That's correct. Then we copy to there. We add the ball. Copy it to here, and then we copy from the switch and copy to the ball. And then we copy from there and outbox. Maybe. I think it should work for these cases, but maybe not for specific inputs. Okay. Yes. I knew it. Maybe like this? I don't know. No. But why not? Yes, then it outboxes. That's like always the case. And then we copy from there and copy to there. Yes. Then we add this. But that shouldn't be this. I see the problem now. A little bit. Why doesn't this work? Okay, but why doesn't this work? Tell me why doesn't this work? Why does this work? It can't work. It can't be. No. Yes. Not enough stuff in the outbox. Oh. And now we need the 0 again. But now... Now we have 19. Boys! And not boys, we did it. Guys, we hit 250,000 subscribers. Fibonacci Visitor. Yes! Yes! Oh, that makes me so happy. Should go to bed in maybe half an hour to get enough sleep, but maybe we can do this. There's definitely something to improve here, right? Wait, what do we need to improve? The speed. Easily, but not right now, because first we do the simpler one. I guess the shorter one. Because here we need to optimize the steps. Oh. No, it's both sorting. But I guess sorting... Wait. No, multiplication, not sorting. For some reason I thought snakes are bigger than cats and elephants are bigger than snakes. What? For each two things in the inbox, yes. If this is 0, you outbox. And I copy this to the cat. Inbox again. If this 0, copy it to here. But also to here. So we don't need the 0, this 0. Okay, makes sense so far. Bump down the cat, and then if that's 0, yes. We also come from elephant and outbox. What I'm now doing, listen out. I guess I can just undo everything. What I will now do could save a lot of steps, or it absolutely couldn't. So, we bump down the snake by 1, and if that is 0, and otherwise we bump the snake up again. And if the snake is 0, then we copy from cat. Yes, if the snake is 0, then the snake is 1. So we copy from cat and just outbox that and go back to the start. Oh no. I'm very glad that they did this at least. So, does this happen anyway? Definitely not. But maybe. Not at all. Made it actually worse. So I guess we won't do this. Guess that wasn't the way to go. Way to go. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Young man, I can just put this here, I said. Young man, why you gotta like dear? There's no way to like deer this much. We all like deer at the YMs. What the hell am I singing? Guess I just wanted to rhyme here with something related to the YMCA that isn't the obvious thing related to the YMCA rhyming with here. That sounds very wrong. Do we always need this? I guess we do. Nope. That was also stupid. A stupid thought. Stupid thought. Ah, jeez. But what if we put in the theater and instead actually bump the cat down here, and if it's 0 we jump this jump. We jump this jump. We jump this jump on rock and roll. Does this do anything? It did help a bit, just the tiniest bit. We are really heavily optimizing the basic kind of math. Don't worry about negative numbers, and we never had to. So 9 to go. And how many? So like, there has to be a step that's like in every third program, but 2 or something. I don't. Uh, I mean, we already optimized what happens if any of the 2 is 0. I think. Yes, and if this is 0, then yes. And yes, we can maybe do. No, that's very stupid. That wouldn't save any time. Oh. Do I have some simple idea for this? Because I think... No, that wasn't simple. That wasn't simple at all. Copy to B, copy to B, copy to B, copy from B. Wait. Okay. Well... Okay, look. Wait. Two words. Which word comes first? Ah, yes. No. Look, we can't all be perfect. Maybe someday. But at this point, it's again a bit too late. Maybe tomorrow I'll finally stream earlier than this, so it isn't in the middle of the night in my time zone. I don't know what time it is on the rest of the world at this time. Maybe morning. I think it's morning in America then, or something. But whatever. Who knows? So yeah. But I won't optimize Human Resource Machine yet, because I'm really excited for a thrilling sequel. And maybe I'll optimize that, who knows? I mean, I'm a bit annoyed to not have 2 achievements in a game. And now I can very easily, like very easily get these 2 achievements by just copying someone else's code and inserting it. But I won't. because that's not how this game works. I think. I don't know. Maybe I'm not smart enough for optimizing, but maybe I am. Anyway, we'll see. For now, I wish you a happy night, happy week, or maybe happy New Year if you watched this at any New Year's Day. I hope you enjoyed it somehow. And goodbye!